Where do all the north winds end up at during the winter? Where can Pacific hurricanes cross over into the Gulf of Mexico? Hint, where does the Gulf of Mexico nearly meet the Pacific Ocean? On the Bay of Campeche in the South Gulf, the city of Coatzacoalcos is only a 180-mile road trip to Salina Cruz on the Pacific Ocean. Here, about a 150-mile wide, low plain, only 700 feet in altitude, makes it easy for even cars and trucks to travel. This same low plain funnels all the north winds from cold fronts in the USA and Canada down into the Pacific Ocean. In fact, ships in the Salina Cruz bays often get blasted by the north winds. During hurricane season, some hurricanes that start in the Pacific can actually cross this low plain and reform in the Gulf. This plain is the Istmo de Tehuantepec.